Start by placing the calibration board on the scanner. Open the software, pick calibration mode, choose your size, and hit Start. Calibration done? Great. Open a new file, fill in the details, and adjust exposure until you see a bit of red in the corner. Click the check mark to start scanning. First scan done? If it looks clear, hit the check mark again to continue. Now scan from different angles to capture more data for a clean merge later. Click the middle bottom option, then the triangle icon. Pick your angles and start scanning. Hold Shift, select any extra parts, and delete them. Reposition your object and scan again. Repeat until the 3D model looks complete. Click the check mark to merge all scans. Finally, pick your output settings, check encapsulation, and you're done.